Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, we discussed about writing effective test cases. Today, we'll be seeing how to execute test cases. So let's get started. Test execution is the process of executing the code and comparing the expected and actual results. It is very important to execute test cases and create reports to monitor the progress of testing. A test log is a document that records all the relevant details about the execution of one or more test cases. It is used by the testing team to record details of test cases that have been executed, including their results. In addition, a test log specifies the status of a test case execution, which is pass, fail, or blocked. When the actual results matches the expected results, the test case is said to have passed. However, if there is any discrepancy between the actual and expected result, then the test case is said to have failed. The test log provides important information about the incident that caused the test case to fail. The test case is considered to be blocked if we cannot proceed further steps due to a fail step. The attributes of test log represents the details of the output that results from the execution of these test cases. These attributes include a test log identifier to identify the test log, test description, which describes all information about the items being tested, a test case ID to uniquely identify the test case, execution description to describe the sequence of steps or actions to execute a test case, the actual results that you observe when you execute the steps in the test case, pass and fail status of the test case, environmental information that is specific to the test case under execution, anomalous events that resulted in the incomplete execution of a test case, an incident identifier to identify the defects that occurred when a test case fails. Incidents can be a defect in code, defect in test data, or defect in test document, or they can be errors in the way the test case is executed. Then comes the name of the person who executes the test case, the date of testing by a user, and general comments about the execution of a test case. Testing should be performed in QA environment. Make sure that the development team's work on code is not in the same place where the QA team is testing. The general practice is to have a dedicated development and QA environment. Following factors are to be considered for a test execution process. Based on a risk, select a subset of test suite to be executed for the cycle. Assign the test cases in each test suite to testers for execution. Execute tests, report bugs, and capture test status continuously. Resolve blocking issues as they arise. Report status and reconsider plans and priorities daily. Keep test reports accurate, consistent, and timely. Ensure that testers interpret the test case results correctly. Proper execution of test cases is essential in ensuring the success of any testing project. Since there are different types of testings that can be performed, It is essential to have as much familiarization as possible with the application before you begin executing the test case. After all the planned tests are completed, a test summary report should be prepared. It should summarize all the testing activities performed for the release. This final document is used to indicate whether the application is fit for the release. I hope you have found this information useful. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Until next video, happy testing!